That's the biggest thing right now. The restart after the stop caused by the COVID-19 virus. Local horse racing is set to restart in a few weeks. Internationally, the German league is set to lead the way in football, restarting this weekend. Discussions are advanced for a restart of the big bad English Premier League and the Spanish La Liga. Other sports such as NBA basketball and Major League Baseball taking things in stride. But the buzzword right now is restart. And of course, some people agree and some disagree. Some say it's too dangerous to start playing sport even without spectators, and we must wait until the virus disappears. While others argue that locking up in your house indefinitely could be equally dangerous to your mental, physical, and economic health. So at least a measured restart of sport, even with the inevitable element of risk, will be like medicine to the soul right now. And I agree. Yes. So restart is the call. Football, basketball, horse racing, whatever. Same protocol. No spectators. Wash hands. More testing. Masks and social distancing where possible. Yeah, man. So we're just going to press the restart button right now. See that? Yeah.